Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna take a closer look at some Commodore 64 boards. As you can see, this one, PPC ASSY number 250469. This is a later revision short board, which is this board is known for being a pretty solid build board. As you can see, much smaller than the earlier models. As you can see, RAM is reduced to only these two, and of course newer SID chip, but this revision, this board is a pretty well built board. The green one up here is serial number is about around the 500,000, made in Hong Kong. And later this one down here, as you can see, that one is green, this one is goldish, and as you can see here, it's again 250/469. So it's the same board but a later build. This one serial number is at 1.3 million, so it's a later build. As I remember, we have revision B and C also. I think C was the last one. I'm not sure right now. But yeah, as you can see guys, same motherboard, different colors from different dates. Let's take a closer look at the chips and see. This is from the 37th week of 89. Again, built in Hong Kong. If we go over here, this is 500,000 at serial number. Oh, this is again from 89, but 46th week. So that means the chips are just laying around. They're just building and putting on some labels with serial numbers. I mean, it's just typical Commodore. They did it like this also with their Amiga series. They just, they sold in millions, guys. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the different color, but same revision board. I'm gonna keep on continuing cleaning up these cards. Thank you for watching, guys. Just a short video, just a little heads up. Just want to say hi. Just want to tell you I still love the Commodore 64. Have a great day out there. Bye.